Hey all, Haywood Plains. So I talked briefly during the WLA 750 Italeri motorcycle project about the quality of Tamiya, motorcycle kits. So I decided to pick one up and kind of go over that build. This one's for my grandson. He loves the color red. So the reason I started with the black one on the monitor there is because I'm modifying this kit. So the bike is the Virago XV1000. There we go. XV1000. But I'm going to build it to look more like the one in the beginning of this video on the computer monitor. In that case, it's a black bike, which is more to my taste. But again, this is for my grandson, and he likes red. So I'm essentially going to do a full red motorcycle instead of a full black. And I've done a few things, like I've cut down the rear fender. We're going to omit the front fender. This is how our motor is going to look, more or less like that. There's a bit more detail for the motor, and obviously the bike still needs to be assembled. I also shortened the seat. We're not going to have the back brace. Most of the parts for the passenger have been omitted. So that's kind of where we're going with this. So what did I do on the seat? We just cut it down a little bit. Let's see if I can find that. And again, these are totally unscripted. Here we are. So the seat originally had this rear portion, and then a secondary passenger seat section would have gone behind that, and then a rather tall, what we used to call a sissy bar on the old Schwinn bikes, but it's just a passenger backrest. These larger chrome parts here. So we'll be omitting all of that. None of that's going on the bike. And when I cut the seat down, I just added a piece of balsa wood at the back here, and you can kind of see it there, right behind the two holes that mount the seat to the bike. And that's just a piece of I don't know what that is. Is it 3/16? I think it's 3/16 balsa. Might just be 1/4 inch. And then just sanded to shape to fit the back of the seat. So that'll be our motorcycle seat. And then, as I said, it's a red out. So the wheels will be a darker red, metallic. The bike itself is painted in Tamiya Pure Red, TS 86. And I use the gloss aluminum on all the engine parts except for those that are chrome. We're going to leave those chrome. I want the bike to have a little bit of shine to it, for that unveiling for Junior, for my grandson. So we're about I don't know, 3 or 4 hours into the project here. Not very far in. It is a typical Tamiya motorcycle. These things are so well engineered, it's ridiculous. The tires are actual rubber tires. This tire smells just like a Dunlop tire. It is essentially a miniature roadworthy tire. So anyway, I'm going to start just disseminating all kinds of useless information at this point. So the shaft-driven motorcycle, we're going to again customize it just a little bit, and it is a red out. as many of the parts as can be red will be red. The balance will be chrome, gloss aluminum, and in some cases with a little bit of gold trim. I think the wheels again are going to be red, darker red metallic with a gold line around the outer rim, just to accent that a little bit. The decals for this bike include a gold oval outline of the side of the tank, so we'll use that decal. I shaved off all the Yamaha badging from the tank. I'll probably shave it off of the side covers as well. So we sand those down nice and smooth, just like the black bike and the opening of this video from the monitor. That all the badging is off; it's gone. And the pipes I'll leave chrome. I thought about possibly doing sort of a brick red on those, but I think I'll just I'll let those be chrome. I guess, you know, we'll lay them on there and take a look and see what we think about that. But I think red pipes or black pipes, probably just too much. The lower forks will be red. That about sums it up. I think the lighting, the light fixtures, the turn signal lights, if I use those, and definitely the headlight frame, are all going to be red instead of chrome, just to give you a sense of what I mean by a red out. But this is our current project on the bench, and I'll have a few more videos going forward. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.